What's up, YouTube? Goonies here with another demo vid for you guys. This one comes to us from Grand Patriot Fireworks, and this one here it's called Color Changing Smoke. Basically, it is like a jumbo smoke, but it changes colors as it goes on. So, I mean, that's pretty cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. I mean, of course, you have your your giant smoke here and there, but not changing color midway through. So this should be interesting. So let's go out there, let's light up, and let me know what you guys think.